The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
So let's show you the storm system that's going to bring us a chance for Oreos. I mean, different types of precipitation as we head into Super Bowl Sunday. It is way down to the south of us. It is along the Gulf Coast right now, so it has a ways to go before it gets here. But it's going to get in here, we think, Saturday night and be with us into Sunday and leave us as we head into Sunday night. So that's kind of the timing of this. That's the storm system we're watching. So if you want to track alongside us at home for the next 24 hours, each hour, this is going to get gradually a little bit closer to southwest central and south side Virginia. So let's talk about the storm system. And again, tomorrow during the daylight hours, we have absolutely nothing to worry about. We're going to have some clouds around, but we're going to be dry. This is Saturday about 10-11 p.m. At that point, areas south of 460 will start to see some precipitation moving in. Most of what we see initially will be rain until you get towards the higher terrain of, say, the Mountain Empire. At that point, you could have maybe a little bit of freezing rain and sleet mixing in as well. You'll notice, though, as the system progresses to the north, it's going to have a better chance of encountering some colder air by, say, Sunday at 7 a.m. Therefore, seeing maybe a little bit more freezing rain and sleet towards the mountains by Sunday morning. Further east towards Lynchburg and south side, it is still just rain. So where's the snow? It's coming. Look at about 1, 2, 3 o'clock Sunday afternoon, and that's when we're going to start to see the changeover to some snow towards the New River Valley. Still going to be raining in Lynchburg and south side. Notice, so as we head a little bit closer to dinner time, the snow will still be around towards the mountains while it's still mainly just rain towards Lynchburg and south side. And after dinner time, any snow that's around is going to change back over to rain. So more of the story here is this. We're going to see every precipitation type here as we head Saturday night into Sunday, with the precipitation skedaddling after midnight Sunday night, such that by by Monday, we are going to be dry. So let's time things out for you in a graphic so you can see exactly what we're thinking here as we look at the time frame of this. Again, Saturday night into Sunday morning, a mixed bag of precipitation, mainly a mix to the west, mainly rain to the east. Late morning into the early afternoon, we could have a dry slot moving in, make it a little bit of a break, say from roughly maybe 10 a.m. through about 2 p.m. And then after 2 p.m., that is when we're going to start to see the snow really starting to accumulate in the mountains and in areas west of the Parkway. So as we look at these precipitation types in the highlands, you're going to have a mix likely changing over to some snow. The mix will change over to snow earlier in the NRV. That's why we're thinking those higher totals are going to be in the NRV. In the Roanoke Valley, you may start as some rain, maybe change over to a mix, then back over to rain, back to a mix before ending with perhaps some snowflakes. And in Lynchburg and Southside, you notice a whole lot of green here, and that is an indicator that you're mainly just going to see rain, maybe a little bit of freezing rain, sleet, and a couple of snowflakes. But for the most part, further east, it's just going to be warm enough to just see rain. It's 39 right now in Hot Springs, 57 in Roanoke, 65 in Danville, 48 in Wytheville. Temperatures today very warm. It's hard to believe we're talking about some wintry weather here in about 48 hours from now, but that is indeed going to be the case for us as colder air is going to try to punch in from the north and west, and that means for us temperatures on Sunday failing to get out of the 30s. But you need to know that with a southerly flow, we're going to really start to crank up the heat again, such that by next week, we're going to be about 10 to 20 degrees above average again. So by the time you look at the Wednesday and Thursday forecast next week, temperatures are going to be well into the 60s. And then once again next week, a couple of us may flirt with 70. Overnight lows tonight in the 30s and lower 40s. It looks like tonight's going to be partly to mostly cloudy. And then as we look at the next 3 days in the NRV, tomorrow for the most part is dry. But on Sunday, that's when you're going to have that wintry mix moving in. Ditto for the highlands on Sunday, but you're going to see more sunshine on Monday. And for south side, you're in the upper 30s to near 40 on Sunday, but you're right back into the middle 50s on Monday. In Lynchburg, 40 on Sunday, 64 by Wednesday, 66 on Thursday. And then for the Roanoke Valley, best chance for precipitation here over the next 7 days will lie on Sunday, where we're going to have every precipitation type imaginable across the Roanoke Valley, with another chance for just plain rain by Thursday and Friday.